Hello everyone, welcome back to Sparaya YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video, I would like to share you a tutorial on how to block calls from unknown number on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who disturbed and annoyed because there's a lot of spam calls or calls from unknown number that keep coming to your cell phone, don't need to be worried guys, because you can easily auto block them. And how to do that is very easy, because Poco C71 is provide a feature to auto block the calls from unknown number. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and let's check it out. Okay, the first thing first that I have to do is, now you can go to calls menu on your cell phone like this, and then now you can click three dots on the right top and then go to settings, and then after that now you can click block and you can activate block from unknown number, so you won't receive any calls and message from unknown number anymore. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching.